Hello, Master Malika here, and today we're going to combine ward off with roll back, press, and push, and then talk a little bit about withdraw and push meditation and technique. Now we can do this several different directions to make it a little bit more interesting and enjoyable. So take a good stance, shift your weight back, and cover, lift. That's ward off. Roll back, one palm down, one palm up. Twist your waist, stay across the horizontal plane, pressing inside the arm, withdraw and push. And now if you want, change directions. Ward off, covering and lifting, roll back and to the side, cock the shoulder, press inside the elbow, withdraw and push. And now you can square to a different angle, ward off, roll back, press, and push. And if you want, you can turn, create another angle, press, and return to your first angle. Or you can go straight forward and straight backward. Covering and lifting is ward off, roll back, straight back and to the side, pressing forward and to the side, withdraw and push, straight back and down, forward and up. Switch, step forward, ward off, roll back, press, withdraw and push. Now, when we're practicing withdraw and push meditation, we're inhaling into the palms and the forearms downward, into the palms and forearms downward. On the exhale, we're exhaling out all 10 of the fingertips. The mind is on the Dantian. Inhale, palms and forearms. Exhale, fingertips. Inhale, few of the details. Exhale out the fingertips. Let the hands float up high enough to protect your head and neck. Glide down towards the hips. Push forward and upward with hooks. In through the palms and fingertips. Roll the shoulders back and down. Press the hips. Inhale backward. Pull right here. Exhale, tuck in. Push forward and upward. Back and down, roll the shoulders, forward and upward. Remember, we don't want to go like this, and we do want to go like you're pulling your hands, sliding down a hill. And then drop a little bit lower, tuck in, push forward and upward. So the hand makes kind of a teardrop shape. Not much bend in the wrist, a little bit in the elbow, a lot of yielding in the shoulder. Pull here, push here. Inhale, exhale. In the palms and forearms, out the fingertips. Tongue touching the roof of the mouth. Mind on Dantian. And you can change directions anytime you like. ward off, roll back, press, and push in combination, also with draw and push Qigong meditation.